Always lockout tagout before working on your machine. Refer to the lockout tagout video, or your owner's manual, for detailed instructions. Locate the bolt drill on the back section of your machine. The bolt drill bores the bolt hole for cylindrical locks. The bit should be changed about every 2500 cycles. Use the tools located on the machine to loosen the collet. The collet has 2 stages. After the first break, hand loosen as much as possible, then use the tools again to get past the second break. Now remove the bit and collet. Blow out the collet, removing as much sawdust as possible. To install the new bit, simply reverse the process. Push the bit into the holster until it stops, then back it out about 1/4 inch, otherwise the bit may weld itself to the motor. Snug everything up, but don't over-tighten the collet. It will naturally tighten as the motor runs. The drill is now ready for normal operation.